Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the phone and the app. Check your Android version and install the latest DB Legends update so you're working with current code. Once done, clear the app cache to avoid legacy settings. Next, enable developer options in settings, then toggle force activities to be resizable. This allows apps to accept alternate orientations. Make sure battery saver is off. Some power modes lock orientation behavior. These prerequisites let the next steps actually change the game display. Next, force the orientation and tweak scaling so the game fits landscape. Use a trusted rotation control app or connect via ADB and run the orientation command to set landscape. This directly tells the system to rotate DB Legends. Then change display resolution or DPI slightly lower to prevent UI clipping. You can set DPI via developer options or ADB. Once adjusted, restart the game and check the main menu layout. If menus look correct, proceed to gameplay. Finally, lock the landscape orientation using your rotation tool so it stays consistent during play. Map or recalibrate touch controls if buttons shifted. Some controller mapping apps help here. If UI elements overlap, reduce the DPI change one step at a time and keep backups of original values so you can revert. As a troubleshooting tip, if the game crashes or behaves oddly, clear its cache, reinstall the app, and remove any forced activity flags, then reapply settings incrementally to isolate the cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.